Pamucho and Ukre, ordinary Ghanaians. And as ordinary Ghanaians, no, I dare see between US for any Iran, for any UK, for a fire for. Right now, no, we are seeing now is on the edge. It's on edge. Because the Prince of Peace, the chairman of the Peace Council, Donald Trump, has gone into war, gone into action here with Iran. Now, you know that when US goes to war, it trigger NATO also because they have, I think, Article 5. When one member is at war, all of them are at war. And the British PM, no, British Prime Minister, also Keir Starmer, no, or Kasai, that the UK has joined. UK has joined the fight, you know, UK is part of it. Now Iran is attacking Saudi Arabia, as I told you, is attacking Israel, is attacking Bahrain, is attacking UAE, is attacking Saudi Arabia, attacking Qatar. And it's a serious thing now, IAC. It's a serious thing, AC. Now, why am I concerned as Ghana? I'm concerned as Ghana because, unfortunately for year as Omaino, around this time that we need a top diplomats, no? Around this time, here top diplomats, no? Our topmost diplomat, Okujeto Ablakwa. Me bra Penny from North Town. Okujeto Ablakwa ne Ghana, our foreign minister, say see amenu we kasa. In same way we see, in same way see what we are seeing now. Okujeto Ablakwa ne your foreign minister. Now, when you have Okujeto Ablakwa as your foreign minister in times like this, dear, you know that you have to pray. And the reason you have to pray is because Okujeto Ablakwa no, na no hanu pa. Ablakwa na no hanu rough. And as a kwa between US any big countries, no. The empire body say Okujeto Ablakwa di ufia semu. E fire home Okujeto Ablakwa. Whatever is going on between US for ni Iran for no Okujeto and fire home. And fire home. And you feel now about release here a notice and then those things they are US for you and you stand with Iran. Okujeto Ablakwa. Name now uko trust how we stand with Iran. No, no one is standing with Iran, and we are also standing against Iran. Ghana has signed a treaty, a non-aligned treaty. Okujeto unim history. Ga beti saying unim history me catch you. Ghana or man Ghana no, you are signing non-aligned treaty. It means say when two people are fighting. Global scene no so no. Dear, we are neutral. Say na neutral for no. That is a treaty Ghana has signed. And ti Okujeto Ablakwa ye paucho say who nim. Now the on my way. Eko share. Eko to asem moi. Enfanchew. It is elephants that are fighting. Elephants are fighting. Ye Ghana no ye grass. What each one consensus? Let's keep quiet and mind our business. Yeah, mind your business. God, where do you have paucho and bonidia? A paucho. Okay, to your paucho, where the kawanu to moi? Let US, UK, let them do their thing. Omuna more nuclear weapons, no. Omuna more intercontinental ballistic missiles, no. Mamu yo madie. Ghana, or mine Ghana, no. Or mine Ghana, no. Fighter jet bakukwa po yenibi. Se si aye kasano on my Ghana. We don't have even a single fighter jet. Yes, say muso. We can say yes your bomb be yenibi. That is why recently week we are muti say fishermen be I call kidnap you guy. We couldn't send any jet fighter jet to go in. Nah, nothing. Debbie. I think I got Sparky. And you see, this is where you thank God for Akufo-Addo. And beside who say those ships that Akufo-Addo bought for a navy, no, if he had not bought them. For him, sometimes in same year, him your questions. Ships Akufo-Addo a toy man navy, cannot navy, no. If Akufo-Addo had not bought those ships, no, when they say our fishermen, over 53 of them were kidnapped on the sea, how were we going to rescue them? When we say you need leadership that sees far, I can't say who here leadership it sees far. Leadership that does not only think about today but thinks about the future. We don't say it for saying sake. A leader must be able to see far. Akufo-Addo never knew say a week will come fishermen of Ghana no he will kidnap you more high seas no so. Akufo-Addo never knew. But as a president, no, he knew say when we have a navy force, we need to resource them. So he bought them ships and bought them boats. Now when our people got kidnapped on the sea, no, Akufo-Addo I say you wicked. King Agokoli Akufo-Addo no. The ships are auto Ghana Navy no. Those are what we relied on. Mahama about His Excellency Mahama. He say you know your man penny. He can buy more for the Navy. At least in years one fighter jet for Air Force. But I see there be on the Sikano or Fakoto presidential jet. That is NDC for you. That is NDC, the core NDC person. They don't care about you. So when they came to power, they now call us the ordinary Ghanaian. The ordinary Ghanaian. Enti epa mucho enukre ye ordinary Ghanaians. And as ordinary Ghanaians no, idea see between US for any Iran for any UK for a fire. Now, enti okuje to Ablakwa+Sam George omumienu especially okuje to ni Sam George especially say you know that maybe their wives are listening to me with a fake account. Please, muji omu phone from Sam. Okuje to yire Sam George to me around this time from now to at least Monday. Muji omu phone from Sam. They should not comment on whatever is happening. Yan sumo and fire who yanim hushi yan timpo. You have not heard about it. Yo.
Yeah, no, what's all the crabia? You see about them is all the way politics. Sika here and away for 1,001 or ya here, 1,001 or ya here. I go for the one for 98 million. We're going to go to Amana. I don't know what it's Ghana for that. Mr. Mahama is the hope. Mupo, he is the hope. Nkata what teacher for one is ka delete it. Aba didn't know about delete. Ori yan hwehwem na we chawo na ka no so ba delete na. Obotia. Msamama do obotia ye ginidi. Obotia. Anyu ana we aho. For voter region they will vote again for NDC. Let's concentrate. Give Ghanaians time to heal. Nankasa odu baby nefio hude no. Afi de adeno mankasa no me bra then they can return the vote. Resistance. Nipa waye na adwen no naturally or 2020 all learn. Don't force development on voter region. Man ko sefi nko force development bi awo. Tell them concentrate on your major places where you see people go down and speak to people. There are communities with specific project that they need. Go and then fashion it. There's one thing that I like about Mr. Mahama. Or using psychology ni pa. Ghana for the state and the nature of the Ghanaian were captured into his memory. Assembly of Kebia, look, the typical Ghanaian, Assembly of Kebia, they will have one reason or the other to justify it. Because they are a group of people who will justify it for the sake of politics. Now, remember Okujato, Woody, you can just Google Okujato stop lying. I remember even when President Rawlings was alive, he nearly cried because of this guy. Okujato, you be dear that guy, I don't know whether he's possessed. When him saw Okujato 20 number car, Sidologia Fantastica. Okujato is possessed with lies. Never Okujato was deputy education minister. Nah, it means no employment. No Okujato wako print there. They have created 1.6 million jobs. Now Okobi sa it means no employment. No hey, me no. No so one was Okujato to go and ask him. Onankasa employment minister kwa ni yem shishe no. Hey, go for figure wan. Mr. Rollins, sometimes I wonder if the people are talking about me or they are talking about somebody else. That is why when they even say something about the Nakufadu, I can't believe it. Because they even lie about me. Also, sometimes I listen to these NDC people and I wonder if they are talking to me, even as Rollins. Because of this Okujato, I don't know the babies with sharp teeth on the bed. Okujato came to lie to Ghanaians that Ghana uranium Akufo-Addo watan ninyina. Okwekohwem na onya no kwa. No way consulate Okujato no bakande. This guy is lying. State capture oba Ghana ha. Even snitch what did not got na ho worry chim that didn't them to us them not. Okujato against Afenyo Markin go on state land. Even reading and understanding of it or a problem, he will still argue and lie about it. You know, Okujato no say Snit is making an annual revenue of abadibadi. So we efra. Later, na Snit ebe you know the thing is iradi to Ghana. Ama
so mo ye na se ko position a ye nyina ebe num ayo ye be twatwa kekedu am yesisi mo ayedin o se emle na so enani 3 days mo na esini bi afre me se no ye yi na de ye mfa na dwumum na ama ho che biti kamemmo ne besia menim so be kasa 500 bi na camera che o se 2005 for the koto enwi ni ade de abaye yi and am say hey madam 2005 ni nya say me ya busa system say my bomodin atwatwa 20 ni ade me say unya from me delivery
Action, man.
Archbishop,
delivery
Ombre fear no beji.
no
Beji, I will do a video.
me madam ba go say wo so say menya yare na ka menyi njimo mo
Oh, JJ, killer, it's a condom.
menyi mo mo bi kura ngugum yare fa yare be ho
Archbishop,
because
protect
yes sir
yourself. But me party, Obia Obeye you be a man fancho. Charlie,
oh David me ya busa system
It's our time. It's our season.
Ekama afi baby
It's our cocoa season.
afi baby ekama ebisi etino medikaka uni me Saturday me jirisa boya me dance for me Saturday was bishop wake ubetima me say oh madam maye
Archbishop,
who say
me yankubi. BBT, put me in my NDP paper. As I say, NDC, what about 2 members are for which home miss are cheap? Na yes, baby, ye didn't come. As more to be now to catch me.
Oh, yeah, it's true too, eh?
There,
very true.
Miss Afu, why a cheap?
For
time because on man me a thing. Into on the Mabrino, or you selection of papa, no. Yes, you need that to
Sina Marcus. Oh, say say me gonna make this adwene.
I'm trying my best not to say mess so common with. I'm doing all
Oh, but
this.
so
Yeah,
try one try.
now me was
Ya ba
so
twa bam.
fire. Mo ye dey am beba. Na wo be so fire.
I'm just
Che,
doing
e
my
ko mo dey
best.
be de mo no. Mo afi we.
I want to watch you people just, just be
Oh,
done with it.
sister ma baby e do ne dey mo beba. Ti say dey aye no mo twi mo tan mo beba.
Yeah, they am fan wo. Unim am
Now,
so mo
I'm
so
Oba
mo
na
na
bo na se
no.
komado ama no bo na kom ntu.
Remember, as I'm not
Yes,
serious.
sir.
No, I'm a
Yes,
just look at
serious
it.
oh.
Russian guy
Oba,
by
wait,
bro for ba ko pe no de by.
yes.
Hello, how are
Okay.
you? Follow me.
You follow me.
Felix, I'm coming. I know of your man some personal friend. All of it already. We posting out to Volta region as a nurse. Wako high down. Why ye juma over 8 months? Now won't you account? Out of frustration, I'm a call yami yankuno. I yana me to mediamano. And obisam once, kaka minyaman. Omise me be. Moswa, me kobi said that what is happening. No, I can't
Hey,
the only
and then ko
it's a baby, maybe.
Nka ari mu so say mu so be say o ho de say what did you musa.
It's the maybe ama what is happening? Say ibi nyi fia what the bobo na. What is the fate of this young lady? Nya gomia na what the befum.
Che, ebe bo na komado ama na mo na kom ne we.
My only problem is that, you see, some of these things were preventable as a nation. And some of these issues be saying I am impaired who asem can because very
Ama. Omo ya da ya nkoche say.
Meba hold on. I thought that asem were very dicey because Ghana form we don't like taking responsibilities. Ghana ni na di nkwasi asem na onu anim say ne choice wrong choice will make you no eno na yield sa fruit no man through that hardship no he or she still want you to be empathetic. Meanwhile we Jimmy and Jimmy ye na din yekodu ye nyina ye maame mo kan ho bi no mo kan say e friend say school fees e betimi etua ye ma school fees ya je alawa no so ye ntua ye ntua ba no we had people